Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are going to explore the versatility and style of tank top outfits. Tank tops are a staple in any wardrobe, offering endless possibilities for creating trendy, comfortable and chic looks. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out, a workout session or a night on the town, we have got you covered. Let's dive into some stylish tank top outfits that you can rock with confidence. Casual day outfits. Classic casual include tank top, a simple white or black tank top along with high-waisted denim shorts or jeans with a lightweight cardigan or a denim jacket with white sneakers or slip-on flats. For accessories, you can use crossbody bags, sunglasses and delicate necklace. For boho chic look, you can use a flowy pattern tank top with bohemian vibes, a maxi skirt or wide leg pants along with sandals or espadrilles. Accessories can be layered necklaces, a wide brim hat and a fringe bag. Effortlessly cool style. Use a graphic tank top, distressed skinny jeans or mom jeans, or a layer a pleat shirt tied around the waist. And for footwear, use ankle boots or Converse sneakers and hoop earrings, a backpack and a watch can include the accessories. For workout and flare, sporty and functional, use tank tops, a fitted moisture-wicking athletic tank, a high-waisted leggings or biker short bottom, athletic sneakers along with a sports watch, a handbag and a gym bag. For casual athleisure, use a tank top consisting of a loose-fitting tank top bottom. Use joggers or track pants. For wood footwear, use trendy sneaker, and for accessories, use a baseball cap, a waist bag and sunglasses. For yoga ready, use a soft stretchable yoga tank top along with high-waisted yoga pants with slip-on athletic shoes, and use a water bottle, a yoga mat and a light jacket as an accessories. For evening and night out, elegant evening, use a silk or satin tank top along with a pencil skirt or tailored pants that can be layered with a blazer or light shawl. For footwear, use strappy heels or pointed toe flats. For accessories, use statement earrings, a clutch bag and a sleek bracelet. For night out glam, use tank top, a sequined or embellished tank top along with high-waisted leather pants or a mini skirt, stiletto heels or anchor boots. For accessories, use bold jewelry, a small handbag and a chic belt. For casual date night, use tank top, a lace trimmed or ruffled tank top, skinny jeans or furry midi skirt as a bottom, block heels or bollet flats. For footwear, or a delicate necklace, a clutch and a light jacket as an accessories. Seasonal tank tops. In spring, use a floral or pastel color tank top, cropped jeans or a flowy skirt along with a light cardigan or denim jacket. For footwear, use bollet flats or sandals, a floral scarf, a crossbody bag and a sun hat can be used in accessories. As the summer season is on the peak, you can use a bright colorful tank top along with denim shorts or a skater skirt. For footwear, use flip-flops or espadrilles. For accessories, use sunglasses, a straw hat and a beach bag. In fall, use a neutral colored tank top. For bottom, use high-waisted jeans or corduroy pants. A cozy cardigan or an oversized sweater can be used as a layer. We hope you enjoy these tank top outfit ideas and feel inspired to create your own unique look. Stay tuned for more fashion tips and inspiration from Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.